Hi everyone, I'm Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about biomolecules, lipids, in our cell and molecular biology section. Here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to be talking about the function of lipids, and lastly, we're going to be talking about the four classes of lipids. So first, let's talk about the function of lipids. The primary function of lipids is long-term energy storage, and they can serve as structural functions in the cell. So here are some just different diagrams. They're hydrophobic and nonpolar. They can form micelles like this, like spherical membrane-bound containers. They can also form the cell membrane and form many structures there. So now let's talk about the four classes of lipids. So there are steroids, waxes, triglyceride, and phospholipids, and we're going to be talking about each one of those throughout the video. So triglycerides are found in fats like oil and butter. They're used by animals for insulation and long-term storage, or plants for the same purpose.